series printer, how to change the VirtualCOM port and USB 2.0 USB port, real USB port, which plug in as a printer device or as a COM device. You go here, and then you press any these two keys. Will ask you password. Password is 21, so you change this to 1 first. You can press, they will eventually change to 1. This is decimal digits. You press, eventually change to 2. Where's 2? You change direction if not, you see. Okay, and then press setup. It's now you can change. And press this one. You can change to printer. Means you plug in, become Windows printing device. Only Windows works on Windows. Press this, you can change to VirtualCOM port, which works on Windows and Mac, a little bit older Mac. You can change anyone you like. You press setup, you confirm the last settings, that's all.